the nature of roads in different constituencies. Yeah, and declare certain years as year of roads under the same sector minister. You want a road and you constructed. Now, super PMU Kunkatamaso constituency. It is as though say Hanum a quan who do I say drivers for a moon edis are quite a jumana so far quite so. Adia this year fasunano and I knew Mabedim Como or much challenges portray our Mufesi or Quano dear one hand and I about a PMU Ewaha would see me Ewo Adom 106.3 now was I share Ewo Adom TV Swak Katamanso constituency People's Forum and then Yawa Yeni or Mu Ebabedim Como but my Misha say and so I like to be Baboko. Who are driving? I would trick our friend here coin.
You can call Peace Land, New York aviation.
Now, situation on the road, Senator.
Oh, Quani, the Yakra, and then a Quani say, I said that so tired to me for passengers in court. Into your higher pa. Yeah, offense, almost 2 4 Munu. I must say, yeah, offense, a young 2 Munu. Almost so, I feel the to me, and to Subio. Na fi de bia ya kwa yan boy joint ni we into how my yakra na ya pa ba kra
ma mentwazen free wo so ya driver ni
me pacho media me kauna me kitaka me shop ni na ya roadway no em say o ma neglect here to the extent say police station wa ha
wa na neglect mo
above the politicians any friends saying assemblyman omo share ahase so it's very bad and your road no na no me koto bompa fufro ni nyina asa say ye me some so apai and I say yes so say information bi aba maybe kronfo and I say ejato bi fia very dangerous say omo di your friends saying cars no be ba ahase so omo ba be dum eja na say police no betimi atrace kronfo no Inte amase ye roads ndi enye kra ena uko inner roads no so a bridges na ese omuntumi nye cars ntumi nkofo so parking ni amegu kwan mu nti bebi a obefa so no na ye congested inte amase ye hase no ye branka sankasa ye bre because according to say ye wa hase and I say area hase there omu de omu oye nka Ghana for ho ena sisi so ye so ye politics ni say your policy ni say so 1 year road amaya ye vote because you say you say almost see road bia ni say even New York road and asat main road no so mwankasa mbetumi ehu very bad it ye to me entina oman ni mu ye be vote ye be ye niama bebre wo oman we mu ye wo keke even omo shop grandpa wa ha say omo ko New York police station road enuni sisi ana me free New York police station say me fa moto can't me nko because of road no Kanu to me come a park kanu and I'm a famoto. And yes, I'm a famoto, but I say me famoto. Moto so me fana bibi ko sisi hospital so so say ye moto no ye license and bibi sa omo hweye. Uti ase inti no yes ro mu so.
Yes say udi moto nyasre na moto no license ye hwe.
Omo hwe.
Hospital we no.
Hospital omo Ghana ni na sorry. General ni na obia inti no ye bre wo man we mu. Say special say usa ko kakra ti say Peaceland Switzerland me see untumi fa kanko me fie krampo me ntumi fa kanko inte se me park car no na me fa moto enfa nko inte ye bre wo oman we mu ene se mo antumi anya bibi amfa ye ho a ene yesu no vote no road no vote
but mo na moto aba mo MP mo DC ni ade nyina ha money on Mwakasa, Mwakacha said this is the nature of roads.
We first your friend saying radio station and I said TV station na ba ha say TV3 for ma ba ha say be brain no ma ba but ye car on be jatum pe no ma ko mu ba biom intinu sisi anu mukra mu ba one cent for mu ko mechi they don't want to come because of Sena we mo ba no ma be kasa na ya ya bre aye demonstration ya demonstration several times but still I yet say dia omo person omo ndi yesu
okay but who was shop wa the nature of road no are affected with sales away ana
yeah affected because be no mo ntumi fam cars enfamba no mo suma okada for so mo bra enye okada for ni nyina na omo ye very good. What I say, to say, you know, nipa, and you obia na ye. But ye smoke that no one share now acquire different. But on no work car, obet me at the ending, Ediaba, on who say time no obet drive car no from New York and I say Washington, Ediaba has say no. Acquire to say, obey waste time to now I pay Biani be the Honomu. Until at the end of the day, no, Miss in the accord down cry. First now make me say me yes more than 6,000. But she said because of road perform but almost complaining she say akwapo na me ko share the second place of say maybe another branch war in New York.
Yeah, I say mama eja bibia boko.
Nyame adumo.
Eja road yi yenim say hamo. But mo na mo tim patemu ha apart from road no situation ben bi na wa.
Situation wo mi yo say nsuo to. Na nu ya Friday na nsuo twei sei. Me kutu ye. Ene ya bonu tokuro. Ni ya de nsuo wura tokuro num. Na be ye nsuo no begu gwata num. Enra me ka na esu no ho ano. Enra boy joint. Me koto boy joint. Hop baako 7 million. Hobo one side 7 million. Imagine say so to tuwa. Na kwan we pa de say ya ka say ye ka. Na ye ka anka shama ni so ye to amba. Si ya ka say ye ka pa anka shama ni so ye to aba. Sisi ami mo ha no 2024 me vote we ayo protein. O ma miska na meto ama. Me de
Aden.
Na den se mani abie. Personal mani afra. Me di ni pachi. Party me di party echi sa.
Party ben audi.
Party MPP na me di echi. Lawyer Edu na Toshi sisi a Carlos and e was so. Me vote wo Tama West. But me vote Abaha.
Na who ade?
Me vote wo Tama West. Sisi me vote Abaha. Nti hanso so ya ba ya. Kosi answer the same. Nti maka say me vote in the 2024 ayo protein. Wakoto hop baako 7 million. Na so wo hwe akwan we ya. Ebe de na ayeye.
Mami ura driver wana mini driver ni kasa yakra. Baba, bibi aboko.
Bibi aboko masa.
Ufri ya uko ni sen.
Me copy Island.
Na mo amu yusu kwan we any area muti no. Situation ben pa na mo face ni.
Mother says ya omuze Pisland baby yeti no. Ono nima puno mo kaga na ho. Iti road no mu ye mae. Road ninja kwa iti car no every day by your cover shop. Every day by your cover shop. Says ya okuto bi car. Now the edge ma car na beti car no free say because every day by car no be say.
Muni mu DC ni mpenyefo e wo ha na muni o makasa.
Ye no mo kasa sa omonje. Ye no mo kasa omonje mae. Omonje mae masa. Ye ble. Says the sky at better digapo I demand. Ubaya demand not the sky na kwa sese car. Ya pa mucha. Omo sese kwa no mae. Ye ble masa.
Enkomo no na ekoso a nipa bebe na e pese wo kire se nyade a situation no ekoyie fra edima o. Masa bibia boko boss. Wo driver.
Da me okada rather.
We okada rather.
Yeah. Na so ye kwan we so papa boss. Say bless ya say akonya democrat omo say omo the police na chiye. Na so we bema we adwuma ba ha. Osisi nya adwuma. Say akonya yire mu ho kra je say ko petra mo bia say no betuma bo adwuma.
Eh aden.
Ye bre ama penifo mu ho kra trabo kra na omu nu asa na mutumi ya adwuma. Ye sisi nya adwuma biu. Say we bema kra na we bema we adwuma wo kwan we so a. Wo ko ba wo kra mutumi nya hwi. Itimu ka cha ban say ye bre MPP ye bre.
What's it omo bre eja ben. Apart from a kwan area hana motie but apart from a kwan no situation ben is our area
low current na ho because ahanu ye light on be nso beto unless o madum light no nyina ansana light no I so jaya ansan light na ba because ana omo ye ebi o 3 days kora na light off enti ekwan no de o ka nyame ni no kora ni every ado ye be kwan we ye hu bibia biem omutuwa no mudi ania kakra no mudi abefele kwan no omutuwa no mudi kakra edi abefele kwan no nsoto a kanko taxi we nyina obi anye adwuma alas moto na eko obi abrowa ubehwa wakofu moto okobo forma omuse moto na edi na abobet kanko trotro sonko ebi wa trotro be doja na okofa etire asana wako enta kwa no nyamini nkra ni ekwa de ye bre papa
na nipa okasa ansa wo ba ye na etre se we obi a we ye adwuma fa saa kwan we so a eya na den pa se we ni we be kompem wo be ye kura agi se wa fatramo ansa wo fatramo
me pa cho me fatramo na adwuma no me tu me start okada 2010 up to now kwan we de enu nti amaye ya aja adwuma ha akotema because we adwuma wa ha adesa wuntimi ya hwe wo be da na wo kura wo body nyina ya kwan no nya woni wo yire hia master sese ana na wo ho aba because wa bre ekwa no ye wo be bo amana musa fra na papio nyimbre wo be bo amana musa enti apam chaw mo boy
eja bra na ye ni nkomo usu ya kada brother
Oh me driver.
we are taxi driver trotro o ka trotro anti uka trotro efri hin ekọ hin ye nanti kakra
Oh, yeah, Nancy. But say Ashama to New York.
New York.
I'm to New York.
New York ho na wo tie
To New York. I found Daniel.
okay dan baby a wo free ni baby a wo ye adwuma de kọ situation net is important
Boss Kaba. See. I say no. I don't say a conin. So to see on. They cry a bread. What's our machine so coach man? A machine was a and pass on Eddie. As well as no say go kunto kwa. No be kunto kwa na this and nobody now the yeah. You can't move boy. You can't seriously. Ache more than yes. Amu ye. Where be for Ashama? Boy, what is Zenu? When you say no. And yet, you spoil you come Mother so to say on. Yeah, bread, Munyaka, on shine, ne pass a go. Yeah, bread, the mobile, yes, mobile.
okay ye go so twetwe enkomo ewo zenu nipa hudo na na menwunu so muti area ha wo hwa adan akase ewo area ha bebre enti onam kwan so na hwe se ne yakas ne ko na atumi kire wo manholes ahodo egugu kwan ne mu so baby asphalt kakra na manhole duduo na egu kwan ne mu na say very very difficult enso station almost station ena wa ha nti ubedu ha na omulodu ko miamia ahodo but mama opanyin so entwetwe nkomo kakra taxi driver yi bibia bokọ de
me pacho ya mi adumo
na ma za o ka na se no ayemre
me pacho ya because ya kwa na ya faso no ye nti ya sempenifu se wo momu anya
me ka se enya se na tie na wo se enya
esuta untimi nko mi de mi suta za ukosa me fasa akwa we so nko New York or Washington or Peaceland na ya da me meko because kwa ni ye ti sempenifu se wo momu anya
nti kwa na enya no mamu lorry fan mu tumu ana
lorry for sometimes bi ho ma baby a insisa ya jino asisa na ya twa because kwa ni enti na ya sa no but I will buy two is bia to me at spare part until the sempenifu so momu anya
okay na to say the situation to hwe na o fa ha no anye careful kitwe bia amfa hu se ha ne ya abo mu no wan hwe a na wo di o ka no akwa hye ba bia eno so enye cars akese kura na ehuna mane eja bibia boko de
ajana Adom boko
na u free hin na be
me free New York aviation
se e honi de kwan ne ye mboa
ekwan be ana eye na wo kan unko hoda mo ene nti na wo busa asa no na kwan na nam so no on 23 o just every 2 months bia was so cause sanka na se so what na just we 23 no na wo de buy next year obe mu se ball joint TD foi week bia ball joint 2 okwa yi so ti akwa ne de we muti ya ye se nsuo awia na bɔ no na mo anya ne yie nya sanka mu ntimi nyina ha ezuo to a nana ye namu ti se yi no eti akwa ne de mo de na mo aye ye bre
adaba fo ne bi na just ye ne omu atwetwe enkomo no omu twi okada ne ade enso enam kwan no so no ye hwe ne ye ne omu de ko obeni bibia boko
me Adom
na situation it say okwan no
ye kwan de nya kula ye hiamwa fitia no mu ko pisa nyina kwan tatanta obeto ye atwumotumpure ye blessa e po adwuma na honam nyina ya nti yesre aban moaye onhwe kwan fitia ko pisa ngbe chile e kwan da so nso amna obeto tom se ya etimi fam wa ko echichi ekwana nye ehia mo momoa esro ma
madika aka chese omo a omo di ekwan no eye adwuma a omo plow road we cars ahodo omo yuso okada ne normal ahodo no na chese eni omo di nkomo eja bibia boko
enye boko but master, we are taxpayers of this nation, and look at the nature of road that faso. Go to Peaceland, go to New York, go to Mexico City. Yesterday I had to buy a hub of 800 Ghana cedis. Every week I buy a part. Why? What are we living for?
Before abem nti papa ya ojina we mami olu enkasa bibia boko dia
Boko.
na wo free na ebe
Me free New York.
New York
Aye.
say New York wo de ekwani yo homboa
Aha kra better che eho. Uko wa enye poto e manho ankasa. Uka nu ko mu kra atai nu beyira. Enti ya mudu ona mu hye. Enye easy.
O de ya ho medical culture say oma kan say wo ba na say ebia enso to a obo say situation e different and e ba e enso say dan toy ewia ena chese abo entobo say efomo awo kakra mamene driver yin twi nkomo eja bi aboko dia
Adom
na ofri na be
e pa che every Peaceland
o matisi say one dey kwan ye mboa
okọ kwan de owuo kwan no kwan timi yi nyensen kwan nya kura ebubu ye kasi nyina tu isi bia ekoto azobes foforo kwan na se kura enti kwan nti amani pa wo so kura no omo kire omo because kasi nko ho kwan nya kura
kasi nko be bia ne pa ne tie no
na se ka nko ho nti ebre mun ko inside na mun ko hwe kwan nyina nye nti yesre de ogina ma we interview ni we ko so no yesre no so obetie dia yesre no kwan ne hia e on do mbe mai na ha de ohunu hwi ukọ de copies land na ba bi de ewuo kwan eyi nyinse pa nti yesre mo ye ha onyina na e kwan no
na just nipa hudu na complaint na omuma nti ohwe senia e kwan ne tie na ohwe senia cars ne ba na it tells you so be nantia ko enim kakra no now the situation is even worse and worse and worse. Enti mama so me no ntwi ko mo bibia boko de
nyame adom bibia boko
u ti area ha
ya mi ti area
na enkrofo no edi nkomo afa kwan no so bebre se kwan ne nye but apart from kwan no the Kunkatama so constituency issues being biom na wa apart from kwan
meta che kwan kakra because they are very important to us because you are appealing for our sake. Ubana Kunkatama so is one of the biggest constituencies in Ghana and the most populated constituency in Ghana so far. Apart from the road challenges, on say politicians, especially this current government and other government, 2020 election, omoba say, ebe catch say adoye roadway, but enya adoye na road assembly fund. Omo dada ye na ye to aba momo, but unim say your country ma they be omo ka say scan you no and the current government no so e catch say the MPP government catch say oni the opposition government enye juma as a union committee member any communication officer for the NDC in Kunkatama so di assembly which is brave several letters mimi MP yakọ assembly sometimes oko road minister oko kasa obi some issues about Kunkatama say any road system but you can say na hwe enfri member
but nkrofo bebe na say uhwe the duty of a member of parliament sanko be raise questions on his road in the constituency no ye hu say wa bisa question bia of parliament relative to the road of parliament da
e bia una hu ye I have so many evidence we hear evidence about only questions or beside no metimi ama including insio security issues all this is the MP have taken step but it's a deliberate act and I won't say country I won't see no yes is can you the country is broke and this cannot be free in Faba and we share the course it's all about looting and keeping for themselves and of course within the country and it's not the fault of the MP one thing I constitution say the district assembly no they're so responsible I say road development MP ni say obe lobby say MP ni ko lobby na scanning fit up ni ba MP ni obe den so we don't blame the MP we blame the right authorities the constituency. First of all, the ruling and the central government, the MCA. Then I found. Enche Oma be call election time omudi and here be gusu na ya to ba then that's the end of it. And this particular government and the current government omo nyade over in the main road ayewa asino and this in the year omo so omo ba to omo ye kakrakra e be call enim across the country enya as a betray santo ibi bibia ye basa about
but me hwe gata yimu wa ha ya nipa hodo no mo stores omo stores e ben gata no mu kuresi enti as Ghanaians, the patriotism I wear so sanke bezanga gate anga mimi stoni anta kamashe kwa nima yi gatem eno su Ghana yankasi yentumi nya isi atwan ba ama na ba ama
on say aman bia imra enhye da nya adwuma no saneko when he said as part of this current government policy every once in every month they say nya adwuma we one is one monitor and as human being they say personal responsibility say you take over some of these decisions but they are not doing it and to me for the law must be applied and the laws must be applied to correct some of these errors. You blame me as citizens gata we say we buy but if the rules and regulations are there ebe buana ya ejuma no ananama yi gata nimo but who can some say apart from road system other challenges are there were light challenges. Punkatamaso area bebe cosmopolitan developing area. And the area bebe Dubai City Katamaso na there are so many areas only lights. Just within this particular country, only lights. A big challenge.
Lights in Yanko and now the cables are
you were Dubai City, you were Katamaso, you were some around Oibiani, Dromo getting to Pauleshi. Maybe call in my last 2 weeks. Many honorable MP nuclear call that particular area. Some of the situations around on the ground. Your car and the current government, as someone said, Punkatamanso soon. And a developing area. You have 417,000 in terms of population, the whole Ghana. You lead the whole Ghana. And in terms of land size, it's very big. We are connected to 9 different constituencies. I say, on the course, even Mamika be a limited registration. Yes, Obi to me free all the way from Baoleshi. Kokpon and Okoye or spending 80 Ghana. Offer to guarantee almost 300 Ghana. Who call that very day? Kwa to me at sometimes 3 times. And see as citizens, all is about the leadership, the current leadership work and that's what I say. The government doesn't think about because the government said we should not be what spectators, we should be citizens. Say citizens as a kasa say montier by Hunsa. And I had country more corruption, and this Bank of Ghana is bankrupt anyway. Higher as citizens of Munkatamanso, and I will call other countries like Temani, where Yajuma and Tias Tema, almost a good road, but still they do quota almost to me or inner road. I say, Ubas and Opa, sometimes from Ashama, just ever at the couch to me spending almost 2 hours. All because of the bar road system, because traffic does, but almost inner road now. Ebema traffic no.
But in America, I say, the way our situation is now, as a citizen, as Obi, I would do Ghana, I would see the community. Once as an individual, Robin, I was will play to make sure say things are done and done right.
And I make sure say, maybe a unit committee member. Personally, we have involved with the assembly. You are trying to the assembly because it's our duty to lobby for development. But there's no fun at the assembly. And to where then? The little we can do is Ubasi and say a situation actually. It's also part of the solution to our problem. You won't catch your move, but one say country no adding and even lobbying people. Ugatani Yamaka Krakra adding the Omedi Dikramunya and see how would they even get to come and solve road. And I wouldn't say road construction is very expensive and that's something very simple to do. So those are the challenges. We need to understand say the current government, say almost sorry. And I want to say, yeah, our country may call election. Sometimes you hear the assembly call as to just the current MPP super delegate conference. 100,000 yeah, demand $5,000 on one kind. So that's can to me develop the country. No? And I didn't the situation in there. We all have to put it at the doorstep of the current government, the MPP government. Yeah, blame you because Omuna yeah the Ghana shomu in same your tax revenue be called the current government. And by me but yeah then say you better want some but you need now as personally you bet me here some of these things you hear the government to step in So uko other areas yes, some strongholds of the government they are paying attention to them. Argentina other area. One thing in our country, say our leaders have to look at the policies that we have. They have to amend the constitution. Uba power and then your power and the MPP or power. Uba and yes, because of Punkatamasu, Ebia Unya MP or ACNT, Unfin Crofono. And that NDC Subano or other area now here they say Mboa country. So you have a long-term project. And here are some of our challenges we are having here.
But information I on some of our comments on Facebook and to will share from the Konkantamanso constituency. You can still keep your comments coming. Various questions here, but not your answer. Information answer can say we share road here and perform for Hakura New York Krano to me charge about 15 Ghana cedis. From here to New York, main car. So you are just open Nantepa within the space of 45 minutes. I was able to me Drew. But for the first set, they are charging almost 15 cedis. That we will confirm from a driver for Omuyusu Kwaiwe. But my Mr. driver, when I'm Mr. say, I hear Potin and I just say, Omoji, Bibi Aboko, dear.
Boko.
Unam road, Nusin Abbey. Say, and
yeah.
Hey, dear, because that has been the issue. And your driver for Nibia. Yaniomo ebe kasa obenika se bibia boko dia bibia boko uchi area habi
mi area pa me ma betra move from 2010 and I'm betra area na ya fuka freeze ashama kwa be si wo zedu na ananti akofie atu kaka akran san ha abe development ma amafo pa ha ya problem ye wo ha ache akwase from Katamanso there's no single road that air quota apart from the main road. Apart from 6 me ba main road where here no inner road ba kukura ni ho a eye ya nukota we say omudi gravels no be gusu na omu spread e bia ko omu spread drivers na de be ye eboa no ma be spread e na nonsense ye areas ni bi su wo ho a ye light system ni ye isonya ye we a na transform na bro Uka amusi ochina, uka amusi ene, uka amusi ene. Mako office almost so many times, 7 times. It was ECG office. Say portal room, the transformer ni enye. U proki u machine kura na ablo. Ye machines, ye nyama bebre, ye fridges ni nye juma. Ye area ho bia ni ho air condition nye juma wo ho. Na so ye trailer be ye trabe bia ye air condition hwe nye juma wo ho. Fridge be ye juma this ahomachi. Oye juma by this time our fridge na go off. Ye hiamwa wo area hapa. Areas no comfortable road to join to New York road. E hold the cars ni kwa timi fa ho. E hold the cars ni timi fa ho. E hold the cars ni timi fa ho kra e hold the ubeka say dam. Who could get 40 route to New York. And now because say down cars ni timi fa ho. E just say wa fa inside e bia okwa ha yia. Wa akofo ha no makakaka no asamba. Adene ha adwen ye mre wo bi yare kwa na obi nyim na ni ko hospital na frɛ Uber. Na onya ka say 40 room per so how dey member.
But close to facility but ode mamini papa we nwie na afi mensa ma so eja bibia boko dey.
Boko.
Me pacho ufri hin na wo ko hin sesi.
Sesi a me fit tema free zone and I call we New York.
Na ya tete a nkrofo bebe na kwa se kwan ne nye wo so nam so bi simple tenete
kwan ne de enye kra enye ha ya ngasa ya kasa sa na nso mo ntie ntie kwan ne de mo ka no kwan ne de enye kra unam so enye kra sekas no sekas no oh situation there am say ya ha so area bi wo ho nsuo ne ba be de am bi nso nsuo ne ba nti ya hwe kwan se omo ya na nsuo no omo mo de na omo ma ya nsuo no so na area bia nso nya nsuo
said ye din komo no me pese me ni taxi driver we kasa esan se ya tete se ni ya tete no ya pese ye bisa eja bibia boko de
Adomo
na ya tete se mu free ha ko baby to say ya friend say o free ha ko New York mo ji ahen
every atade kan ko New York e 3 cedi
nti ho amu na ya mo ji 15 cities
Oh, I know there, sir. I want a dear son. And they have been moved to me at the big town. And yet, Quaning yet, well, sir, Quaning yet. When I say,
when I say anything on Mumaso,
I say, you, when I say, no cranium, you, you're quite a body engineering, as I say. And your crown, say, I crown the district police head office or our house at the end. Oh, my mamma, her my tea, never ban no.
Jamamisa, bibi aboko there. Ya titi se mo load free akọ New York. I sense quantity mo to be charge 15 cedis no kre.
O da ben no kre. Say the agina sa na yeji. 3
mo gina
3 cedi fiti akọ New York. Yeah, 3 cedi.
Na situation no et sign portal.
Anya kra e kwan dia say your cars. Ama your cars ni nyina say shop. Nkofo no be jan mo munya kan fa nko. Yeah, so bi ko ejuma na unya kan fa yeden. Enko na kwan we dey sram so mo betwisu kakra krama ya na nka ye be fani sa na say dey tie dey hadwin tie sram na mo ma aban so nti na mo betwa so kakra ma ye na we dey ya dodo yes say ye ka so dodo
1 minute na me mommy nso ga mommy bibia boko
pacho boko
mommy say who take mu na car ni ba how feel say
oh bro ye breast power account bu okra no say be 90 free New York ba ha 90 free ko zero ye nya car no kana de wo timu ba ebe wo so se dra anadwo na wo da na wo nem nyina ya wo ya e na fe no so omoji no eye too much e free urban eye 4 cities
na say situation no affect drivers no na say affect pedestrians so ni ade ebia omo yusu car kase no ebia na affect mu ebia onu yusu car kase nti ya ni ya ensada affect you but mini ko na yenhwe senia
wabi na gbempa ehin ni nyangbo ne kaja 4 days na nyo kaja sama ka ba ho ka ya New York gbotira ya ke gbehin wo lole ba aba taxi mi ho ni eni mi ho dan insia ni gbe ne tema fete mana shika ko ni ka ba pe wa fi ne kanya sa wo gbe ha wo me ni wo ha nye gbe na ni ka yo nye shika wudin wo vote ha nye yi aya ka bible nyongbo papo mpa kwemo gota ne moko ba gbe mi na ne fe ne ka ba po o ba ye no ye sia ma ha le ba fo na je ka fala ba ya ko be ko na onyon kwe ni wo ye ma mi ta fla che wo ba kro wa wo la ne no fe wo wi aka ka me vote asa wo gbe wo vote
African ka afi nye wie na kasane na asa nye gbe nye vote si on dide nyima ya ne ya vote
me ne ba vote mi aka sa vote aya ka tax mi sia tax mi store tax mi ni eni ni ko mo gbengba ba chon na ba nyongbe papo ngba ba chon ma pay tax ngba ma chon wo mi enko meto wele ke mi yo la ne no ko mo vote aya ke wo wa nye gbe na wo sika jiyan no aka pio nya no aka fio no fia no bia na bi ka ba aka fe license Peters o fe Peters amobo aba ebo no sika ko mo gbe nka mena tontomo 1 week no na ana lo le kaja asam lo le ko ba wo won qualify nya na wo mobo la fine eni nya yo mepi ba isi ejen ngbe na nya yo alo
that's bibia boko
oba de na Adom
u ti sen en fa portal na wo
New York since 2000
Jiranse mame
since 2001 ya ba kuro we mu up to now ya kwan mo nye onti ya pack ya car cross si ho e kwan we to budget ba kwan na tu trotro drivers e kwan we e kwan short wa because of kwan nyenti ska bi o pe na o giye ye pesa ban ne ti asese ommomodi no mbesiesie kwan we mai na kwan we nu ya gatas agu ho ya anya kwan since abatu onmu na o ye gata we o gia to ho ibi kro mbe fele mai ni ehu se kwan wa fele ebra na ebre o ha zenu New York ya pese bisa se yanka shama ana pe yanka Ghana eman no ho ana ya pese ehu nti aban no ontutu ana mo no mra ha ampinu so yehia no wa ha ampinu yehia no anya sa na sa bato no duru no ba ha ye be pam na fu ha ye ntoma no nti ya asem hia ehia ye pa ampinu yehia no pa ampinu ana yensuo ya nom no yensuo no so no ababru ba ya bosom na babi ma tie pese ma aban no onye mwa ha zonu New York ha ya bre pa da wasi
okay ma me nko moto ni okay ma me papa we wie na afi me no di we be aboko di
but I can speak English, right?
Okay, no problem. But you plow this road, right?
And my house is just here at the Born to Win Junction area there.
Okay. But most of the occasions when we come to communities like this, one of the key issues are to do with road. But then you see some drains just in front of people's houses, and you see them very choked.
Yes.
I want to ask that question. What is the responsibility of the citizen, the one just close to the gutter?
In fact, the responsibility of the citizen, at least along that stretch, they're supposed to organize and be removing it, not to wait for anybody to come and remove it for them. For instance, in my house, in front of my house, I do organize my people in the area and we clean around and we remove the gutter. Even though there is no major gutter there, we fill potholes. That is, we are not on the main road. We are inside. So we organize and then we do it. So when you get to our area, it's neat. But on the outside of the road, I think because of the anger for not doing the road, that is why they also decide not to remove it. That is what I think. In fact, this road that they have done, the road from Ashama,
the Ashama road that passed
through
and stuff.
Pressure is on it because all the residents here all come to this road. Those coming from Dodowa to Tama, they all use this road. There is this road here, terrible. When you walk on it right now to the police station, it's terrible. So if they could at least grade it, and then 22 road to Afariwa, if they could do those roads and inner roads, not that one, this one and then Afariwa road, the traffic will be shared, will be reduced on this road. When I enter this road right now, it will take me an hour before I get to Ashama, and I'm working in Accra. You know, so it's terrible. It's worrying us. You use your camera, go through the road and see. It's terrible. Torturous. I cry for them. We beg you. We are begging. Please do it for us. We beg you. This one there, we beg you. Please.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Thank you. And also Echrim. Opening Bibiabogo.
Nyamiadom Bibia.
And what for opening to who can sense?
Yeah, New York.
New York. What for opening the New York?
Charlie, the road is not good at all. It's not good at all. Especially if it rains, you can see the cars cannot go, the motor cannot go. In fact, we are suffering over here. I don't know how the government is looking at us or seeing us here. We are suffering. They don't see us in anything. Look at this road, main road, major road, which company cars, private cars, and some of your friends saying the MP himself, they pass here and this road linked to the police headquarters of New York. And look at the road, it's not good. The road network is very, very bad. When it rains, all cars park, motors cannot go. So we are pleading with the government to come and help us.
Apart from Musa issues
issue pa ye wo pa ye wo say New York new site ayaba ho assembly man no announcement say obia meye registration say ne be ya nsu ni ba obia benya bi be yaye bibia na mom de ye hu ni say wo ho a ne afro betua 600 ni ayama say si a me GBC si ai contractor na odi ama no me wo mu nyina number minimum nyina din ba bibi ntimi mfa die ne tudwa na ma ba critical me ba Adom station wan gaza di omdin na betudwa sesi o si mintua 2200 ansa menyansuo ni bi na bisa water west for no say nsuo no o ma ye meter na ye ntua ka na se nsuo ye to a o mo di beba ye na tua na so obetu nsuo baako na obetua 42 million 2200 enti ye pamochaw the assembly man say yen no eno no say contractor no o hwem na oye ma onyiyim
na eba isa botumi akọ assembly man akọ ka chense say na
makọ ba contractor say sa mekọ ho no o ma ho biem enti me nsuo no say me nsan kan ye
enti say
onye no o si me ntua 1000 cedis me man 1000 cedis e chem ba no o si me fa 400 meka ho me dia ka ho se si anu atwa homa na betu obi fi achi o si me ntua 28 million 2800 nka ho na kwa 42 million. What is wrong?
yɛnyɛ ne saa ɛwɔ baabi a bɛnsuo no yɛgye nsuo no to a yɛtua ka ɛyɛ water west managers no ɛna de tumi no nyinaa de ama contractor no ɔyɛ saa de no nti nyɛ ɔso ɔmo sisa
nti ebusua yɛne opani ɛbɛwie ɛwɔ ha Chairman Ibrahim bibi abɔkɔ
asidam kwan na ɛde ma ɔbɔ adeɛ mema ma kyen so
na mo area ha kwan
masa ɛne na wokan nyame hyerɛ wo kora po sɛ waso aba bɛhu bi deɛ wohu yɛ deɛ w'ani de hu yɛ kora po yɛnda nyame ase sɛ yɛkwan no sɛdeɛ mosi hu no sɛ a na ɛwɔ mu mfie ahenneɛ mɔda yɛkɔ 20 years ni sɛ a na ɛteɛ nti deɛ mohu yɛ no ano no nti nyame
mo mpanyinfoɔ mo amatu ho anamo na nkosi aga anamo nya hwe so mfa
me nua wa bisa asɛm anokwa wɔ nyame nim yɛato ho amon anamo saa brɛ yɛayɛ demonstration bebree obiara mfiyɛ mɛkae sɛ mmerɛ bi atwam yɛayɛ demonstration ablɔke main road wei ne nyinaa obiara nka hwee ankwasi aga kane na ɔmo yusu grader abɛgredi ama yɛ kakraa bi but mɛtumi aka kyerɛ wo sɛ yɛkɔ bɛyɛ 9 years ni a obiara aha hwee mfa so ama ba bɛyɛ gates no kora po ani ɛna ɛda hɔ no nti tem bia drivers complain especially sɛ nsuo tɔ a ebinom kora po ntumi ba fie mɛtumi aka sɛ bebre na nyina ɔmo park ɔmo cars wɔ filling stations no mu na ɔmo afa moto ɛde akɔ fie we nyina animguase ama ɛnɛmmerɛ 21st century paa ne ɛka sɛ greater Accra ɛna ɛti se meyɛ me fɛde yɛ kora mpo especially me sɛ meta ato kwan bebree nti mehu me kurom na ɛte sɛ deɛ na ɛyɛ me te sɛ animguaseɛ nti no wedia yɛda mo aso si sɛ mo so mo aba bɛbisa asɛm yɛso yɛtoma aka bi akyerɛ mo sɛdeɛ mo mode m'ani nso aho nti nyame nhyerɛ mo so wae ɛnhyerɛ mo station no so ma mo
nti Chairman Ibrahim ɔno ɛna akyɛ sɛ yɛne ne twe nkɔmmɔ nti abusua CJ ɛna kwasi nsia ɛwɔ Adom TV CJ ɛwɔ Adom 106.3 ɛhɔ ɛna mo tie People's Forum ɛde firi ha ɛna mmerɛ ɛne nkrabea bɛma me kwan ma me de adwumadie ne nyinaa asi no magye mu ɛde ama mpanimfoɔ no ɛwɔ studio na ɔmo atumi ɛtoa so Kponkatama so constituency ɛhɔ ɛne yɛde the People's Forum ɛde firi ɛde brɛ wo yɛfam daakye ne nana yɛ wɔ asante me ne wadi nkra